Today we're unboxing the Amcrest Pro HD 1080p Wi-Fi camera. This thing's pretty cool. It's got a bunch of features. I'll go over that in a second, but let's open up the box and see what we get. So right away you got a quick start guide. It's got some warranty information, and it's even got a user guide on a CD-ROM if needed. It's also online. Ethernet cable, so you can connect it to your router if you want, but it also has built-in Wi-Fi, so I'm not going to use that. Even though it is wireless, you still need to power it, so keep that in mind, that you need to have enough space to for a cable or maybe possibly extension cord to wire the thing. And then you get a mounting bracket, and you would mount the bracket with these holes here to the desired location, and then this would connect to the camera itself. And then you can rotate it and adjust it as you need. Some of the mounting screws, and of course the camera. So right away, nice looking camera. It's got a nice style to it. It's small, as you can see. I mean, it fits just right in the palm of my hand, and I was a little surprised when I got it. I thought it'd be larger, but pleasantly surprised, because it'll fit. It fits easier in smaller locations and not so visible. So right on the front, there's a little mic, which is pretty cool. When you have motion detection set up, like let's say the camera is set up at your front door, someone rings your doorbell, the motion detection will trigger your phone or tablet. You can see what's going on and then talk to them with the mic up front and the speaker on the back. So I think that's a pretty neat feature. So looking at the back of the camera, you have it's your Ethernet port. You can actually set up some alarm connections with, like, I believe it's I/O connector. You have audio in and out if you want to do like external speakers and so on. Micro SD card slot is pretty cool, because you don't need to pay for optional cloud storage. You can just plug in like a 32 gig card and log into the camera and just do a playback right from here. So that's pretty neat. And then you have your power port. So that's the camera. Some more features that I didn't mention, as you can see right on the box, it claims 60-second setup. I will find that out soon. Optional cloud storage, as I mentioned. The remote pan and tilt. You have a 32 feet night vision, mobile viewing from your phone or tablet, and a wide angle viewing. So some other neat stuff that I really like is, I mentioned the two-way audio. That's neat. The pan and tilt zoom is great, because you don't need so many cameras around your home, since you can move the camera by remoting in and doing a pan or tilt. So you do cover more ground with one camera, which is pretty neat. And then we went over the features on the back. So looking forward to seeing how this thing works, and I'll give a review after it's all set up.